In this video, I am unboxing a brand new iPad. This was a part of the Black Friday sales this year. It is an iPad 10th generation Wi-Fi edition. It's only 64 gigabyte, but it was $100 off, and I said, okay, it's worthwhile at this point to buy one because it's cheap. It's close enough to this year's sort of models as well. It's a general good tool to have for work, for life, for school, for example. Like, the iPad is just a really useful tool altogether. That's why I bought it. So, gonna get straight into it. So, like I said, 64 gigabyte, 10th gen iPad. Woo! All right, really good deal. Like, Black Friday's really good, and highly recommend taking advantage of some of these sales because you can't really find any of these deals any other time. And I got some other accessories for a equally cheap price too. So you can check out some accessories as well, which I'm pretty excited about. So this thing just slides off. Pretty excited. We're going to see how easy it is for a first-time user of an iPad to really set it up for the first time. So I got the blue. Ooh, nice. I love the Apple logo as well. It's really smooth. And for this iPad to be kind of cheap, I've only been like last year as well. For $4.99, I got this iPad. Pretty damn good. So I love the color. I chose blue because blue is my favorite color in the world. That's what I love about it. And I also love that it's got a sort of slimmer bezel than a lot of the older gen iPads. So it's really useful. We got a camera at the back, nice big screen, a lot of finger marks coming on this thing. A lot of finger marks. But you can put it like a screen protector on this thing as well. We have charger, fantastic. We'll put it on charge ASAP. Got some stickers. You all know how an iPad sort of gets unboxed these days. It's not anything brand new. It's not anything revolutionary really. I think they've kind of kept the same flow as always. So yeah, let's put on quick charge. It does come with a braided cable, which I like as well, considering this was so cheap. Braided cable, fantastic. This is the really good charger as well. Braided cable just means that it won't break, snap, or anything like that. That's a really solid cable. All right, now I've got that on charge. I can quickly look at some accessories. So this is a Studio FirePad case as well. So let's have a look. Nice, so it's got the clear back, so you can actually see the proper back of the iPad. I didn't go for like the Signet ones because the Signet ones, they're good, but they don't have a clear back, while this actually has a really good clear back. Let's just see how it all looks. We have 83% charge on the iPad straight out the box, which is pretty good. All right, so that just clicks in. Should just click in, boom. Excellent, so that offers like a first level of protection straight away, and you actually get a clear back. Pretty good, and you can see the blue color. And yeah, the color's nice as well. Not bad. Maybe would have preferred black, but you know what? It's nice. I actually like this, and it'll offer that first sort of level of protection right there. Imagine if I actually broke the screen, but I won't. Anyway, this is a really good case. So this is a Studio case. If you want this type of case, that's what it is. So it's a Studio iPad 10th generation case. And I got it for a really cheap price. So normally it's $59.95. This one was a Black Friday sale, so it was something like $45 as well. So that's a really good deal. Wow. All right, and then you get the Apple Pencil, of course. Let's have a quick look. Should be really easy to set up an Apple Pencil, which we'll have a look at as well. Pretty simple unboxing. You just unbox it out of the case. Boom, and there we go. It's in this interesting wrap. There we go, brand new. So it just pops out, and you have a USB Type-C connection, and pretty much what you do is you'll connect the charging cable, which is a USB Type-C cable, to this, and it will pretty much connect straight away. Anyway, and it'll have this magnet on the side as well. With the case, you have a magnet as well, so you should just be able to slide in there, and boom, that's going to be the setup for this iPad. Yes, let's see how quick and easy it is for us to actually set up this iPad for the first time. Country, going to select Australia because I'm from Australia. Anyway, so setting up the language, and that took about 2 seconds to do. And you have like the appearance options, so I'm just going to select normal, but if you want to make it larger, you can actually scroll across, make things really large, which is pretty useful. So anyway, we're going to select the default, and we're just going to quick start the device. And it'll actually search for nearby devices as well. So that's pretty good. So I could use this as like a Kindle and stuff like that, and transfer all my iBooks, but I'm going to use it mainly for work, which I'm going to basically just transfer all the information from my phone to this iPad, and it'll make life a lot easier. That's the reason why I bought this iPad in the first place, was because I feel like a bigger screen for work is going to be a lot easier for me. And having like books, for example, iBooks, general study stuff, like you can have the notes, you could have the drawing apps, for example, draw diagrams for work, all sorts. Boom. So it actually pops up on your iPhone. So you can just press continue. Boom. Face ID. Boom. Let's see. Wow. Oh, you got to just position the ring in the frame. Oh, I was very confused. So you got to like take a photo or something of this like ring in the middle of this iPad, and it should just easily connect up. There we go. And then you could just set up your new iPad, all the stuff already in there. And then I could just unlock it, and boom, we're pretty much ready to go, which made it just so much easier. I love how quick that was. That was just like 1 second and it was pretty much ready. So it's just now setting up between my phone and my iPad. It just shows how good like the Apple ecosystem is with connectivity. I love how you can literally set one up just wirelessly on your mobile phone, and boom, it is ready to go with all your data already there, with all your connections. Boom, that's amazing. So then we're gonna set up our Touch ID. So cover this top button all the way. It's so interesting. Boom, there we go. Touch ID is sorted. That took a minute to do, but altogether pretty good. There we go. And Wi-Fi already is like enabled on this iPad straight away. How good is that? And it signs you in straight away because it knows all your information and everything. That was super easy to set up, like no difficulties whatsoever. The Touch ID was a bit weird, like at first, like I didn't understand what was going on, but after a minute, I sort of got it. It was just touching that top button, and after that, it was pretty good. All right, we're fully set up. That took about 10 minutes to do, but now that we're here, it's pretty good, and we can customize this whole screen pretty good. Let's check out this home screen as well. Fully customize all these backgrounds and everything like that. And boom, because the Touch ID opens straight away. How good is the iPad? Now we got to connect this Apple Pencil to this iPad. It should be pretty easy. So what we need to do is just lift up this part and connect via USB. So we can just get a charging cable and connect it. There we go. And it says Apple Pencil detected straight away. And that's how easy it was to connect it, and it works straight away. So then you can try scribbling. You can write like, hi. Boom, that's it. That's all you have to do. And it's already set up with a lot of different apps already, of course, as an iPad is. But I just need to go in and download things like ChatGPT, for example, and all my favorite apps. I don't think anyone uses like a iPad camera. Does anyone actually use the iPad camera? Maybe some people do for like actually video calling people maybe. I wonder if there is a way to actually connect the camera to my phone to this iPad, so the video actually comes from the iPad instead of the phone. Just wondering. Maybe you guys know the answer for that one. That would be pretty sick. All of my notes are instantly connected and pretty much straight away already in there. So that is amazing. That helps a lot with workflow as well. So that is absolutely fantastic. And you can probably customize all these widgets just by pressing and holding, and you go edit home screen, and boom, you can like fully customize all this stuff, make it how you like it. Maybe you want to expand it or something. There's so much you could do with this. Pretty incredible stuff. And you can even add stuff at the top and add pretty much brand new widgets. It even has pages, so that's really, really useful. So I can actually make documents on this thing, and it will have even other things like Keynote, for example, numbers. So I could do Excel spreadsheets on this thing as well. And without a locking, you could have it both orientations as well. That's pretty good. And I could use it as a media device. I could have it for like Netflix, for just relaxing, watching Netflix, or I don't know, I could do YouTube on this thing as well. For example, like, let's see. So now I can download all of my used apps already on this iPad. Just get it straight away on here. And for example, let's have a look at some YouTube videos and see the sound quality coming out of this. In terms of how the Apple Pencil actually feels, like it feels really smooth on this as well. So pretty good. Overall, like really smooth gliding and everything as well. Sometimes like it has its capabilities and uncapabilities with this Apple Pencil, like trying to get out of apps. For example, like, I don't know if there's a gesture to be able to actually get out of the apps, but overall pretty good. And let's compare both in terms of specs and the quality. The sound quality is pretty good. Both consoles, let's talk about it. So the Xbox Series X and the PlayStation 5 Pro both feature the same CPU power. Pretty happy with that, like video quality and sound quality all together, like pretty good, pretty good. And like I said before, like it was kind of hard to actually get out of the apps just with the Apple Pencil. Like you kind of have to use your own finger to just swipe up into the main screen and stuff like that. But apart from that, pretty good. All right, we've already downloaded Chrome, so I can instantly just sign in and start logging in apps like pretty quickly. It's pretty good. More than enough information for this video, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.